Students, yesterday we have discussed about the memorandum of association, and today we are going to start our next important document, that is articles of association. So articles of association is the second important document which is prepared by the promoters of the company. For the purpose of incorporation, it is presented before the registrar along with the other documents, means to say that it is submitted to the registrar along with the memorandum of association and prospectus. So the articles of association of the company is prepared in according to the Companies Act 2013 and the memorandum of association of the company, because in memorandum of association our objective of the company, parts of the companies are described. For the achieving of that objective which is stated in the memorandum of association, articles of association present the rules and regulations for the achievement of those objectives. So along with the memorandum of association, after the memorandum of association of the company, articles of association is prepared. So articles of association is a document of the company in which rules of the internal management means to say that memorandum is related to the outdoor management and this is related to the internal management of the company. To achieve the objectives of the memorandum of association are stated. So in simple terms we can say that in articles of association, rules of the internal management which are necessary for the achievement of objective are stated. So here are some contents of the articles of association. The first one is mode of rectification of preliminary contracts, how we can rectify the contracts, and the method for that is also stated in the articles. Division of various types of shares and right of shares. So shares, basically there are two types. The first one is equity shares and next one is preference shares. So detail we will study later on in our part B of this book. Third one is mode of issue and allotment of shares. How can we issue the shares? What method the company will adopt? And allotment of shares is also in which method the company will allot the shares. Next is fixation of minimum subscription. But as I told you that company will set a minimum subscription amount before the allotment. Method of issuing share certificates. So when the company will issue the share certificate, so in which method the company will issue this certificate. Rules regarding calls on shares. If any call is unpaid, means to say that suppose a company is having 10 rupees share, okay, and the company will call 2 rupees on the at the time of application, 3 rupees at the time of allotment, 2 rupees at the time of first call, 2 rupees at the time of second call, and 1 rupees at the time of final call. So in this way company will divide whole amount, means to say that company will divide 10 rupees in this way: application, allotment, first, second and final call. If any call is unpaid, what are the rules regarding that? Mode of increase, decrease or restructuring the share capital. If company wants to raise, company wants to decrease the share capital of the company, then what method will be used by the company? And the next one is payment of underwriter commissions. Underwriters are work on the basis of commission. So what type of commission he will pay? Payment of commission and brokerage and shares and debentures. So commission of brokerage एंड शेयर्स एंड डिबेंचर्स के ऊपर उनकी ब्रोकरेज के अकॉर्डिंग क्या कमीशन पे किया जाएगा. दिस विल ऑल्सो स्टेटेड इन द आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन. द नेक्स्ट वन इज कंसोलिडेशन एंड डिवीजन ऑफ शेयर. कंसोलिडेशन मीन्स व्हेन अ स्मॉल कंपनी मर्ज विद द अनदर कंपनी एंड बिकम अ वन लार्ज कंपनी. सो अबाउट दिस इंफॉर्मेशन इज ऑल्सो स्टेटेड इन द आर्टिकल्स ऑफ एसोसिएशन. Rules regarding meeting of the company. So company will conduct a meeting time to time. So quorum adjournment means to say that if company wants to postpone its meeting, and proxy means one shareholder, one member can attend the meeting on behalf of the other. So all these rules and regulations regarding these: quorum, adjournment, proxy, poll, chairman. So this will also stated in the articles. And after that, appointment of auditors, their power, duties and remuneration. Auditor means who will inspect your accounts of the business. What are their powers and duties of the auditors and what salary they will charge from your company. After that, provision relating to the appointment of the manager, managing director, treasurer, secretary. So when you want to appoint a new manager, new MD, new treasurer, new secretary, so what is the method used by you? According to which provision you will appoint these persons? Rules regarding use of common seal. See, we have studied about the common seal. It is a signature of the company. So what are the rules regarding this particular signature of the company? Methods of keeping and writing of the books of accounts. What method you will use in your company for preparing the accounts? It will also mentioned in articles. Then capitalization of profits, procedure for forfeiture and reissues of shares. Suppose sometimes a person who will take the shares of the company, he will not paid any call or any unpaid amount, then how company can forfeit means जब्त कर लेना, ठीक है. तो कंपनी कैसे उन शेयर्स को फॉरफिट करेगी, एंड फॉरफिटिंग शेयर्स company can reissue in the general public. Rules regarding the proposals, voting rights of the members, powers of taking loans and its limits. So member can take loan from the bank up to what extent, it is also stated in the articles. Powers of the board of directors. After the declaration of the dividend, suppose a company is issuing shares, the persons who will take the shares of the company, and in return they will get the dividend from the company side. So what criteria company will follow for the dividend is form of profits, beta. So what criteria company will follow for the dividend? So its rules regarding its payment is also stated in the articles. Rules regarding the maintenance of reserves and funds. Future is unsecure, so there are many risks and uncertainties are there. So some funds are required to reserve for the maintenance. So this will also stated in the articles. Procedure for the winding up of the company. So if you want to wind up your company, if you want to terminate your company, so what procedure will followed by the company members, what procedure will followed by the promoters of the company for the winding up of the company. So it is also stated in the articles of association. So this is all about articles of association.